Trick to write table of 2. First we will write 2 to 0 even number 2 times from top to bottom. Then we will write 4 times 0 and 5 times 1 in tens place. Last trick to write table of 3. First we will write 1 to 7 from bottom to top. Then we will write 0 in the first row, 1 in the second row and 2 in the third row. And we have to write 3 0 in the last. Table is ready. Table is ready. Trick to write table of 4. First we will write even number 2 4 6 8 0 2 times in ones place. Two times. Then we will write tens place from the top 0 then 1 except last one, then 2 and 3 except last one. Four ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Table is ready. Trick to write table of 5. First we will write in ones place 5 then 0 from 1 to 10. 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. Then we will write in the tens place 0 then each number from 1 to 4 twice. Then in the last we will write 5. Table is ready. Trick to write table of 6. First we will write 1 to 9 2 times from bottom to top. Two times. Then we will write 0 to 5 in each row. Then in the last we have to write 30 and 60. 0 to 5 in each row. Then 60. Table is ready. Trick to write table of 7. First we will write 1 to 9 top to bottom. Then we will write 0 to 7, but remember we have to write 2 and 4 2 times. Now table is ready. Trick to write table of 8. First we will write 0 to 8 from top to bottom. But remember we have to write 4 2 times. 4 2 times. Then we will write 0 to 8 even number from bottom to top. 2 times. To write table of 9. First we will write 0 to 9 top to bottom. 0 to 9. Then we will write 0 to 9 bottom to top. 0 to 9. 0 से start करेंगे. Thanks for watching. Trick to write table of 10. First we will write 1 to 10 counting. Then we will write 0 in ones place. Trick to write table of 11. First we will write 1 to 9 2 times. Then we will write 11 and 0 in the end. Trick to write table of 12. First we will write 1 to 10 counting. Then we will write table of 2. After that, add the tens place. Twelve one ja 12, 12 two ja 24, 12 three ja 36, 12 four ja 48, 12 five ja 60, 12 six ja 72, 12 eight ja 96, 12 nine ja 108, 12 10 ja 120. Thanks for watching. Trick to write table of 13. First we will draw a rectangle of 9 boxes. Then we will write 1 to 9 counting from bottom to top. Bottom to top. After that we will write from 1 to 13 except 4, 8 and 12 in tens place horizontally from the top to bottom. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Trick to write table of 14. First we will write 1 to 14 except 3, 6, 10 and 13. Then we will write 6, 2, 8, 4 bottom to top 2 times. 0, 6, 2, 8, 4. 0, 6, 2, 8, 4. 0, 6, 2, 8, 4. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Trick to write table of 15. First we will write 1 to 15, 2 odd number, then 2 even number. After that we will write 5 and 0. 5 and 0 one by one, 1 to 10. First write 5, then write 0. Then write 5, then write 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Table completed. Thanks for watching. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Trick to write table of 16. First we will write 1 to 10 counting. Then we will write table of 6. After that, add the tens place. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Trick to write table of 17. First we will write 1 to 10 counting. Then we will write table of 7. After that, add the tens place. Tens place. Thanks for watching. Trick to write table of 18. First we will write 1 to 9 odd number, then 10 to 18 even number. After that, we will write even number in ones place. Table completed. Thank you. Trick to write table of 19. First we will write the odd number from 1 to 19. Then we will write 9 to 0, backward counting in ones place.